Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make ginger paste. Okay, so for ginger paste we require I usually make ginger paste and keep it fresh ginger. This is organic ginger, and this is about 1 pound of ginger which is being peeled. Now this comes to our basic sauces, which is onion paste, ginger paste and garlic paste. Now it is very important to make ginger and garlic paste separately because ginger consistency and garlic paste consistency is a bit different. So if you mix that together, then somewhere you'll have garlic more than ginger. So ginger always is lesser because it's a fresh kind of what they call root. So that's what is needed. Okay, so for this, all you have to do is chop this fine, and that's where we're going to chop all this and then put it in a blender. Okay, so now for the ginger paste, what you need to do is I cut this thing and chopped it very fine. As you can see, this has been really peeled well. Now when in Indian food there is something called chopped ginger and ginger paste. We're using ginger paste to make our curries very smooth and fine, refined, where you're making smooth. When you're making like a coarse kind of curry, then you can give what is called tadka, which is chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and chopped chilies. You know, that can go as tempering on top of some fish or whatever you can do. But in a curry, this is what it's needed. So now I'm gonna take this, put it in a blender, blend it with little water, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now we chop this very fine, and I'm just gonna blend it, liquefy it. For this, I'm gonna put little water and also some oil, because the oil, we're gonna cook this ginger paste a little bit so that we can keep it at least for a week in the fridge. Okay, so now the ginger paste has been ground very fine, and what we're gonna do is cook this. You can add a lot of oil if you want to with this thing, because we can always use that oil while we are pouring the ginger paste in our gravy or anything like that. So now my pan is really hot, and I'm just gonna put this, let the oil simmer a little bit, and I'm gonna put this ginger paste in it. And not cook it for too much, just let that oil blend in the paste so it doesn't kind of get rancid or whatever when it's in the fridge. As you can see, now I've cooked my ginger paste, and it's cooking a little bit, but you don't want to overcook it. And right now the oil is separating from the ginger paste, and that's what you want. You want the oil to come out from this thing, and so then it is cooked, and that's when you gotta cool it, and then put it in after cooling, put it in a container and put it in the fridge. Now you have a ginger paste ready for you when it's already done, when you require to make your gravies. Okay, so now this was a ginger paste recipe. There is a method to our madness. And if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and join us on Pinterest board, like us on Facebook, and also never forget to subscribe to our Topper Chef's channel. Happy cooking!